If I look back, jewelry was never just a career choice for me, it was almost like a second nature. Hi, I'm Urvi Bansal, an alumnus of Lifestyle Accessory Design, UID, Karnavati University. Growing up in a family of jewelers, the language of metal, form, and craft was always around me. That is when UID came in. At that time, it was one of the very few places that offered specializations in jewelry design. Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar became the extended classrooms for me. I was grateful to have been sitting with artisans and learn from traditions that have existed for generations. There was always a focus given on practice over just theory. Research, iterations, prototyping, engraving, chasing, we were taught each of the process in detail. Encouragement to participate in design competition added another layer of growth. In 2017, I was encouraged to participate in a design challenge titled Value for Money by Custers Engineering Company of Netherlands in accordance with NID. Being the only student outside NID to be recognized was a different feeling, completely unmatched. Soon after, I was recognized as an outstanding designer at the Artisan Awards and interacted with eminent figures from the industry that laid foundation to my journey ahead. The belief in my journey carried me forward to School of Jewelry, Birmingham City University for my masters. The journey wasn't easy, but I was fortunate to have mentors like Colonel Surjit Bose guiding me along the way. I received the Silver Award by the Goldsmiths Craft and Design Council Awards for my design inspired by my graduation project from UID. Something I could never have imagined as a student starting out. And then my life gave a moment that still feels like a grace. Designing the mukut and jewelry for Lord Sri Ram and Goddess Sita at the Janki Mahal temple in Ayodhya. On Ram Navami, when these idols were adorned in pieces I have created, it felt like a prayer was answered. And spaces such as the Goldsmith Hall London, Hong Kong Gems and Jewelry Fair, the JCK Las Vegas, and India's International Jewelry Show and more. Today, as a founder of Urvi Bansal Atelier, I work with sterling silver jewelry and hand-blown glass. I believe UID doesn't end when you graduate. It stays with you. In support you receive and in quiet strength it gives you when you're really building your own path. For me, that is the most precious part of this journey. The knowledge that began at UID is not a chapter I've closed, but a thread that continues to run through everything that I create. I am Urvi Bansal. I am limitless.